This massive box showed up today. It's about maybe 2 meters tall. Kind of hard for me to gauge because I am ridiculously short. But this massive box showed up today, and this is hopefully, well, judging by the label on it, it's my fruit trees. Not quite sure how to get into it. Oh, it came with loads of free straw. Mum's not going to be happy. Okay. So all the roots in a plastic bag here. Got my labels. My trees are going all the way up there. I am going to unpack these and keep them in the garden because they're going to get stressed out from being in the warmth. But I will show you what I bought. This bundle here is all fruit bushes rather than fruit trees. So I've got a Hinonmaki red gooseberry, Glenample raspberry, another raspberry autumn bliss. I think that's it for that lot. So 2 different types of raspberries and a gooseberry. Lots of lovely thorns to contend with on those gooseberries. And then this here, this lovely bundle of sticks. These are my actual trees. So I've got some apples and I think I bought plum as well. So I've got Pitmaeston pineapple, Annie Elizabeth, a type of apple called Pixie, and this one here, and a plum called Herman. So I'll have to get these dug in soon, not today, because the ground's quite hard today. So not the best conditions for digging a hole for fruit trees, but I will have these planted within a week, so I'll share that process with you guys as well. So I'm just going to finish unwrapping these and prop them up somewhere outside so they can stay nice and cold and dormant. And yeah, in a while I'll show you me planting them. Okay, bye!